Hi, I'm Nischal Narayanam, founder of our education company Nischals Smart Learning Solutions. Nischals was founded to ignite the young minds, spark curiosity, enhance logical thinking, make students explore every why, and ultimately correlate theoretical knowledge to real life scenarios. We inculcate a philosophy of activity based, hands on experimental learning, redefining the conventional teaching pedagogy. Our portable labs are a perfect testament to this vision. Let me introduce you to India's first ever math lab, where math is not just numbers on a board, but it's a fun adventure. Just imagine learning every formula and theorem with experiments and activities.
Let us dive into the world of Nischal's Math Lab and explore our wide variety of tools. Our multilink cubes are a versatile tool unlocking over 120 mathematical concepts, starting from learning HCF LCM, Pythagoras theorem, algebraic identities, arithmetic and geometric progressions, and many more. Our Geo board features a square board for learning concepts of two-dimensional geometry, such as properties of polygons, and our circular Geo board is useful for learning all the theorems of circle. Our 3D shapes not only teach mensuration but also engage students in the practical application of calculating and comparing surface areas and volumes. Our number balance is an engaging tool for teaching the concepts of 4 basic operations in arithmetic. Our Tundle wheel is extremely useful in distance measurement and learning the concepts of area and perimeter. Fundamental concepts of mass, weight, and density can be taught using our innovative weighing balance. With our clinometer, children can learn the concepts of trigonometric ratios and their real-life applications. Our algebraic tiles offer a practical understanding and a visual representation of factorization of quadratic equations. Our strips are used to teach the various concepts of two-dimensional geometry, such as properties of parallel lines and properties of polygons. Our dice and expanded notations aid in understanding the concepts of place value, face value, and even probability. Our Napier bones help the children grasp the Scottish ways of multiplication. But that's not all. These are just some of the wide variety of tools part of the Math Lab tailored to teach the different branches of the subject. Our Math Lab goes beyond the innovative equipment. Every lab is accompanied with grade-wise curriculum mapped lab manuals, instructional video guides, charts, and even beyond the curriculum reads. We have innovative books like 4 Pillars of Math, math dictionaries, and even math a la carte that help teachers in bringing mathematical principles to life, enabling conceptual clarity to students with a hands-on approach. Redefine the conventional classroom pedagogy with our portable and micro-scale math lab, tailor-made for educators that fosters hands-on practical learning.